Are you tired of reading chemical ingredients only to feel frustrated that you can't even pronounce any of the words or know what harm it may cause when used? Are you ready for a fresh perspective on disinfecting and to learn about an environmentally friendly, non-toxic, chemical-free way of taking care of all your disinfecting needs? Meet electrolyzed water. Sounds cool, doesn't it? It's time to bring back grade school science and give props to the teachers who told you how much it mattered. Electrolyzed water is the simple term for hypochlorous acid, a solution made simply from salt and water. Put it into our solution generator and voila! You have yourself a hospital-grade, completely safe solution to use on any surface, anywhere that needs disinfecting. It is safe for people, plants and pets, fabrics, and even electronics. No more confusion, no more concern, no more purchasing chemicals again.